Good evening. My name is Chief Superintendent Mark Edgington from Avon, Somerset Police, and I'd just like to read a statement. Shortly before 3 p.m. this afternoon, emergency services were called to a collision involving a coach on the A396 at Cutcombe Hill in Exmoor. Approximately 60 to 70 people were believed to be on board at the time. A major incident was declared, with police, fire and ambulance services dispatching crews to the scene. The coach was carrying a number of adults and children to Minehead Middle School when it overturned. We can confirm tonight that one child has sadly died. A formal identification process will need to be carried out, but our thoughts and sympathies are with their family who we were in contact with at this time, and specially trained officers are with them to provide support. A number of other people have presented or been taken to hospital, some with serious injuries. This includes 2 children who were taken to hospital by air ambulance. Many passengers either sustained minor injuries or were physically unharmed and were transferred to a rest centre. Work to help them return to Minehead has been taking place throughout the evening. An investigation into the cause of this incident will be carried out, and we please ask any witnesses to please call 101. We would please ask people to avoid speculation around the circumstances at this time, out of respect for the families, staff and the driver, who will all be deeply affected by this collision, as it is only likely to add to their distress. This has been an incredibly challenging scene for all emergency services, and we are grateful for people's patience while we have worked together to rescue, treat and support those involved. Today's events are truly tragic. We know the whole community and the wider area will be utterly devastated to learn of this news. Our officers will do all they can to help support the community in the days that followed. Thank you.
Evening. I'm Wayne Darch. I'm the Deputy Director of Operations at South Western Ambulance Service NHS Foundation Trust. Can I begin by saying that on behalf of the service, our thoughts are with all of those involved in today's tragic incident. We were called at 14:58 this afternoon, Thursday the 17th of July, to a significant road traffic incident on the A396 near Minehead. We declared a major incident that has since been stood down. We sent 46 resources to the scene, including 20 double-crewed ambulances, 3 air ambulances, a command team and 2 hazardous area response teams. We treated several patients at the scene and conveyed 21 patients to hospital via land and by air. Very sadly, as confirmed by Avon and Somerset Police, one child has died at the scene, and our thoughts are with their family and friends during this incredibly sad time. I would like to take this opportunity to say a heartfelt thank you to our colleagues and to our partners who have responded to this incident. We ask that the public continues to access health services as normal, and if urgent healthcare is needed, please contact NHS 111 or for life-threatening emergencies 999. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Gavin Ellis and I'm the Chief Fire Officer for Devon and Somerset Fire and Rescue Service. And first of all, like my colleagues, I'd like to express my extreme sympathy for all of those that have been affected by today's tragic events. We were mobilised to a major incident to a coach that had overturned onto its roof and slid approximately 20 foot down an embankment. To this we sent 8 fire engines, 2 specialist rescue appliances and approximately 60 personnel. Other resources were laser mobilised in support of our crews and our partners. Our crews carried out a number of extrications and rescues in extremely difficult circumstances, and they also supported our ambulance colleagues with casualty treatment. This was a very complex and technically difficult incident for our crews to deal with, and I'm grateful for the tireless effort and actions of the crews in doing everything that they could for those who were trapped as quickly as safely as possible. I'm also grateful to the off-duty firefighter who was travelling behind the coach at the point of the crash, who was able to start making immediate effect to release those crews from those casualties from the bus. Our crews have been receiving support from our wellbeing teams, and again I'm extremely proud of the efforts that my firefighters took today at this tragic event. Thank you.